He's outside the Christmas shop live in Pittsburgh. Jesse?
Thanks, Michael. Yeah, we're here at the Christmas shop this morning because we're about 38 days away from Christmas, 39 from Kwanzaa, 23 from Hanukkah, and 9 from Thanksgiving. We got it. But this is the home stretch of 2020. And so this morning we are joined by Nate Russell, who is a holiday light professional. I mean, when it comes to setting up Christmas lights and just making houses look jolly, this is your game. So what are you seeing in terms of this year with lights getting set up and people getting into the swing of the holiday spirit versus other years?
We've seen a large surge. We started getting calls in September. People were wanting them up in October. People are calling us daily like they're excited when theirs are going back up again. We do a lot of custom build LED light sets for houses. And everybody's they're ready. I think we're going to have an explosion this year of how many lights around town. We've been seeing it for the last 3 or 4 years. Each year, brighter and brighter and brighter. It's fun to watch with everybody's creativity. It isn't just our what we install. We're looking at everybody else's. It's fun. It brings a lot of joy.
So the excitement that people get. I mean, are they calling you like, "Hey, are you almost here?" Because you go to all sorts of houses, right?
Oh yeah, we do houses, commercial buildings. It would surprise. It's amazing every year. Even my guys that work for us are go like, we didn't expect that these customers would be doing the lights. And rural farmhouses out in the middle of nowhere, in town neighborhoods. Like I said, a lot of commercial businesses. And yeah, they're excited on Tuesday. Are you still on schedule? Yeah, and we're trying our hardest to do it. So it's been interesting.
All right, give me a sense of like how much lighting you're putting up every year. I mean, like, are we talking feet, yards? How do you measure this?
By thousands of feet.
Thousands of feet of
yes,
lighting.
thousands of feet of lights, thousands of feet of garlands, thousands of hundreds of wreaths we have that we've put up every year. We're fortunate. We're storage. We've got them ready to go for next year. They're maintained. So it is quite a large percentage of what we do. We don't schedule anything around this time of year because it takes up all of our crews together to try to get started, and that starts late October to will be 1st of December before it kind of calms back down.
And you were placing those orders in the summer, right?
Oh yeah, all of our inventory has to be ordered early. I mean, in order to get large volumes of lights and large volumes of our materials for sockets and clips and bulbs and all the other stuff. But that's the advantage of ordering early is our customers can do whatever they want. They get awesome. It's what they enjoy driving up. It has nothing to do with what we want. So they get to do what makes them excited.
Yeah, well, it's the holiday season. So really quickly, yes. I'm new to this. I'm decorating a house for the first time this year. Give me like 3 tips that I can use when it comes to making my house look nice for the holiday season.
Well, there's some of you got to start back from the safety side of it. Okay. It's the fun part's looking at the lights, and we got all kinds of lights around here, and it's neat. But we want to make sure we get them up there right and get them done safely. And so working with partners to make sure that you're not transitioning back and forth the ladder a lot. Okay. Somebody on the ground, somebody on the roof, working together. LEDs have changed the world of lighting as far as length that you can do, safety. Okay. Checking your product before you put them up so that you're not finding a lot of oopses and then you have to go back. And the other thing is, you don't have to do it all in one year. That's great. Some of the exciting stuff is going back and looking at what somebody else did and going, well, that we could add that to ours. Right. And, shops like here, decorating and stuff like that, that's the plus of seeing the growth through there. Right. We've got customers that have started off small. We have customers that started off and went all out.
So just do it in phases.
Yes, the idea is the joy. We don't want it to be a pain and feel like, why did we do something? We wanted to make sure that you progress through it.
Well, we really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us this morning. Nate, thank you. Thank you. We're going to be hanging out here this morning at the Christmas shop, but we will send it back and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Next thing you know, we're going to be able to see the Irwin household from the International Space Station. I can tell what you're thinking, buddy. That's what I thought. Oh. We'll be back with more KOM Morning News and Health Watch right after this.